Yo. All right, today is May 6th, 2025. Um, Yesterday the VIX was being a punk and did not want to move in my direction and force price to move up. VIX held this area the entire time, and as I was trying to short ES the entire time, I was just getting wrecked every single damn trade. Eventually, when ES reached um, that 4 hour resistance line here that we had here, price came to it. That's when ES decided to fall and VIX decided to lift. And Q also had one very similar. So my fault was that I didn't mark that level that coincided very nicely with VIX, because VIX actually had an actual now on the 4 hour. Yeah, not on the 4 hour, this one here, but I believe on the 1 hour and also on the 30 minute, maybe even on the 15 minutes. So there was the 1 hour, right? So if I just waited for the 1 hour to at least show some signs of buying, I could have been better prepared to try to get that long, right? The 30 minute had it, the 15 minute I believe also had it, all right? So that was just an area of, hold the freaking line. As you can see, price came back to it, and that's what rejected us higher. Did the 5 minutes even have it? No. Right? So I should have just done a lot better with that, because you know, and since the 1 hour was the top one, I'm going on ES and NQ here. Price came back down to it at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. We got that push up. So just waiting for ES and NQ to reach that level. Once it reaches that level right here, it touches it. All right, let's see if we can get a sell. All right, so right here at 2 o'clock, going to 3. Let's go to the 30 minute. All right, so we're reaching there with vacant stuff. Then we have an absorption on this candle here. All right, that one just went. That one is not going to give us time to actually do much. So let's continue seeing if there's anything there that could help us as we get in there aggressively. And then I know this went up to the 15 minutes, so let's see if the 15 minutes starts this things up for us. So no, we don't. Price just drops straight down. So I would have to just enter on the break of the trend line. All right, all right, the break of the trend line, which is right here. All right, boom, and then try to run this thing down. That had to be just sell straight down. Let's see what the 5 minute had to offer. 5 minute just freaking rounded out and then just said, listen, I'm just gonna drop. So there was nothing I could do really to actually, like, that one just straight reversed. Right, seller just got, okay, let's just go, and ran it. Came back, dropped, came back. So I had to just had to just be a continuation. I didn't see any of these lines there, so that's interesting. All right, so we had a 15-minute level right here, the overnight session, right? This is just a buying a 15-minute and a 30-minute line. Price came back to it and closed. I may be just getting rid of these levels here and just really just look for my, like, these here. Like, this is a level. I'm likely going to readjust this so that way, because if price comes back to it, I'd like to see price come back and reject that. So this is definitely a level. 15-minute, right? You can see that price came to it, did buy up a little bit, and failed, right? Came back to that level right there and then dropped. I think this level is still pretty good, and then dropped. So right now we're in a downtrend. Price closed somewhere around here yesterday, and now it's all the way down there. So yeah, all right, boom, 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 right back to that level, and then drop straight down. This is a nice little drop. All right, so I'm gonna just do a little bit of house cleaning, and all right, none of these are important to me anymore. This can go. This one's going to stay. I made this one a little darker. All right, and then let's throw it to the left side. And let's go from the top down. Got the weekly. All right. So let's go to the weekly real quickly. So our weekly is basically this right here. So we're inside that weekly candle. Still inside this huge. It doesn't look like we ever got above that. All right. No, we stayed below it. Never got above that. So, but we're kind of still above that. So got that. That's still pretty important. We do have somewhat of an uptrend. That's not what I chose. Going on like that. So that's interesting. All right. Alright, so go to the daily. So just looking for, is there anything I can work with? Let's hide that. Alright, is there any markers that come up? I know I have that one marked. This is freshish. I'm gonna mark that one if I don't have already have it marked. I do have that marked somewhat. It's a 4-hour buy. Yeah, so I do have that one marked. Let's make it dark. Let's make it thick. Alright, so that is a level. We can go to this a 4-hour. Let's make it thick so I can see it. Alright, let's go back to it's an empty chart. Click chart and set. Okay. So we got that. We got this one. Alright. So right now we're between these two here. Because I do use the backup one, I'm gonna like that. And my backup candidates just have just the boxes. Alright, so that's kind of like where we're in between now. Alright, it's a pretty thick zone here, like there. I do want to bring this down a little lower, because if anything, the buying should be down here. Alright, so 1 hour. So this one might be pretty important. We did clear it on the regular schedule. Came back to it, dropped, came back to it. So, but this one here, I'm gonna keep. From the wick down. Alright, this is the this is a 1 hour ABS. Resistance, no supply, no support. So that is support, and it's been broken. Alright, that one just has so much going on. Let's remove this. It's likely going to go. Alright, back to the backup. Alright, let's go to the 30-minute. Same thing. Strong buying down here. I like that. Alright, this level here is fresh. I think that's the level that I have marked. I like this one a lot. It's also 30-minute. Alright, that one is fresh. Alright, 30 minutes and 15 minutes down there. Still don't know what the heck that is. I said 30-minute buy. I do got that there. Should be a 1 hour buy. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's see. They have a 1 hour buy down there that we do. Alright. Let's go to the 15-minute. Damn, 15-minute level 2. Sheesh. Alright, so that part is going to be pretty important. That one kind of died out on us. Excuse me. Ooh. Alright, that caught me by surprise. Okay. Oh. Alright, so there's a lot going on here. It's also a 15-minute. It's an old supply, so it's been damaged though. That area here I'm definitely more interested in now, especially the 15-minute wise. Let's go back to our regular thing. We got 15-minute. Go back to the 30-minute. Yeah, that one's still running across. Alright, so don't know what the heck going on with this. Let's go to the 5-minute. Alright, so we got that. Interested. Okay. Probably gonna delete that. I never really looked up there, did I? Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's double check. Yeah, I didn't miss anything. Come on. No. 30-minute. No. 5-minute. We got this here. That there. Marking them anyways. Let's go to this trade station. We don't know what's going on down there. Let's mark this one. Five minutes supply resistance. Five-minute ABS resistance. Then that was kind of chalky. This is a straight down. It's pretty chalked up. So I don't know how I feel about that, but still gonna draw it anyways. And still trying to figure out what the hell going on with this line. Go to the 1 minute. Add some days to it. I think I already got days. Okay. Alright, not gonna start that out. We don't have nothing really running across. We got a new one, but it looks like it's old. Let's go down this way. Anything stands out? It's that level that we had marked. It's just this one here. Yeah, probably not gonna pay too much attention to that. I will leave it. I'll delete this one. Alright, let's go to NQ. Not a big fan of recreating charts over and over again. I prefer to just charts be created, and then I can not have to think. Yep, lazy. It's nice little trend line. Nice little trend line. Alright, 4 hour. One hour. Alright, you're being good to me. I like that. 30-minute. I'll probably just end up adding what I see on yes, 15-minute. Nice. 5-minute. Alright, so we do have that one. That one is very pretty much relevant. Alright, so this one is relevant. Okay. Five-minute ABS. It's a resistance. Okay, zoom out. Alright, cool. 1 minute just in case we got anything that stands out. That one was good. Nice drop. Dropping from there. Alright, I don't have anything else. Thank you, God. Let's go to VIX. Daily. Weekly. 4 hour. With ES. Default. For our ABS resistance. Freaking huge. On delete. Please. One hour. It's the one that's giving up all these damn lines. It's annoying. Yes, it's a little bit frustrating. Not gonna lie. Alright, cause it's just a lot of lines all over the place, so that's why I didn't pinpoint it. But that's no excuse. She did better. Minute. No excuses. Five-minute. I really can't tell what the heck I'm looking at. For this one is coming from that. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we'll mark this one. I really want to just be done with this. I'm feeling like tired. 5-minute ABS, I guess. Support. Alright, side by side. That's fine. Let's make it yellow. Don't be a lazy punk. Alright, side by side. Alright, and let's run through them. Okay. So we're looking for anything that's in confluence with each other. 4 hours. We do have this. We zoom out. This needs to be all 4 hours. Alright, so we're looking for a clear confluence as much as we can. That makes sense. That one's down there. That one's down there. Cool. 1 hour. I don't think I had anything for the 1 hour, but we do have this here. That's still there. But I don't think I have anything for the... Oh, I do. I have this right here. Alright, which is the high. Which is NQ's low. Alright. Plus ES 1 hour ABS resistance. This is here, right? Yeah. Alright, so we got that. 30 minutes. One hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute resistance. An absorption here that pushed the price up because of the absorption. Minutes. $5-minute. Let's wrap that one up. That one is right here. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. This one right here. This is at 3 o'clock. So this is the ES plus NQ 5-minute ABS resistance area. Alright, that's pretty much it. Alright, yeah, cool. Okay, so down here would be where we'll be looking for something. Alright, so I'm done with all of that. Let's get into settlement price. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. We're gonna just take this one. Price is close enough. What I want. Alright, whatever. Let's go over a day. Drop it down. Let's go over 2 more days. Yeah, like that. Boom. Alright, let's go to yes. I'll take that one also. Let's go over 3 days. Bam. Alright. We got that set. Earning wise, we got AMD, Irion Semi, I don't know what that is, Super Micro, it's like a semiconductor thing. Ferrari Race, NDOCN, no, Race. Alright, so we got AMD coming out tonight, so after the market closes. Alright, so news wise, we do have an early 30 that came out. Looked like it was not important, and then we got some bonds which may move the market. They have moved the market before, and that's pretty much it. So I am set. I am going to reset my charts. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so trying to get a retest up here before we move lower, or I don't know what's going on with down here. Down here might be tough, but 5 minute retest would be sweet. And I'd love to just it be that and call it a day there without having to like really focus on anything else. So we got 12 minutes until the market open. 12 minutes until the market open. I'm gonna take it easy, clear my head, get my things prepared, keeping it simple, working on waiting, making sure everything matches up as much as possible. I have everything where they need to be, all the charts where they need to be. So trading 3 micros. Pretty much it. I can't do nothing else. I can't make the market move for me. Right. I did want to check out this real quickly. When we did break out of this, did we have some strong selling on the this chart? All right. So boom, looking for strong selling. Let's go down to 15. Nope. 10. Oh, we got something right there. All right. So this one interests me here. 10 range. 10 tip range. That one interests me. All right. Well, like that. And sure, we could do 5. Let's just get rid of these days so that way it's not just doing so much downloading. Alright, so yeah, I like to see price come back to this 5658 area precisely. Give me about a 3-point stop loss, 5658, and then just try to run it down. So I'm gonna keep this on a 10-point tick chart because that's what's working pretty nicely right now. And maybe I'll actually let's put it to the 20. I can always go down. I more likely won't remember to go down if it's high. So that's that.